Hi everybody, my name is Hannah and this is Pepper and Pine, and I have a recipe to share with you today. We are going to be making some antipasto salad. This is my version of this delicious appetizer. We're going to start with a whole bag of these small tomatoes. I like these small tomatoes because I usually find them to be really flavorful. I'm also going to cut them in half so that all of those flavors from our salad dressing get to coat over the entire tomato. Next, I'm going to cut up 2 small Persian cucumbers. I find this to add nice bulk to our salad. Next, I'm going to put an entire container of these small mozzarella balls. You could certainly cut them in half if you wanted to. And I'm also going to add several large pepperoncinis. I'm also going to add these olives. You can use any kind of olives. These have a really strong flavor, so less is more. And then these marinated artichoke hearts are what really this salad is all about. And I like this marinade quite a bit, and it's basically going to be the salad dressing for this salad. I am going to drizzle the top with about 2 circles of balsamic vinegar and a little bit of red vinegar as well. I'm going to toss this, and this is one salad that just tastes better the longer you let it marinate so that all those flavors can just kind of merge together. But to top it off, I'm going to add a few leaves of basil. I just have some fresh basil in my kitchen. I'm going to give that a quick wash and toss it on top. Basil does have a strong flavor, so less is more, so don't add too much of the basil. And that's it. This is a super quick, delicious salad. It takes about 5 minutes to make. You can leave it in the refrigerator to chill before you serve it. And it works great as an appetizer or a salad, or you can even actually have it as your main meal. I hope that you do try this salad. If you do, don't forget to tag me on Instagram and share pictures with me. If you want the complete details of this recipe, you can find them down below in the description box, as well as on my website at pepperandpine.com. And if you want to see what we are eating on a daily basis, you can find me on Instagram at pepperandpine.